Naalala niyo ba mga kaibigan yung Victory Liner doon sa Isabela kung saan may pinatay na 2 pasahero? Tapos nung lumabas yung balita ay napakaraming anggulo na hinahanap kung sino ang pumatay sa kanila. Ngayon ay halos solved na ang kaso dahil nahuli na yung gunman at itinuro na niya kung sino ang talagang salarin. Panoorin natin mula sa SMNI.
Kaunahing suspect sa naganap na shooting incident sa loob ng isang bus sa Nueva Ecija nitong nakaraang buwan ng Nobyembre. Sa ilalim ng pinaigting na investigasyon at operasyon laban sa gunman, kinilala ang suspect na si Alan De Los Santos. Napag-alaman na isang hired killer si De Los Santos at naaresto ito dahil sa kasong statutory rape at sexual assault.
As agent of the state, tripled its effort to track down the 2 gunmen seen in the Victory Liner dashcam and identify other personalities behind this gruesome murder, leading to the development of the case and its subsequent solution. Operational research conducted by the SITG in close coordination with Isabela Provincial Police Office led to the identification of one of the suspects, identified as Alan De Los Santos, a known gun-for-hire personality and who has strings of warrant of arrest for statutory rape and sexual assault. Upon establishing the suspect's identity, extensive follow-up operation was conducted by SITG that resulted in the arrest of Alan De Los Santos on November 20, 2023 in De La Salle, Aurora.
We verified that there were warrant of arrest issued against the suspect. So nagconduct kami ng follow-up that leads to his arrest in Dilasag, Aurora. The pieces of evidence were likewise subjected for examinations.
Mas lumakas pa nila ang kaso laban sa suspect ng kusang nagbigay ng extrajudicial confession at sinabi nitong inupahan sila ng anak ng biktima para ipapatay ang ina sa halagang 60,000 piso. Mula rito, agad na napagtagpi-tagpi ng mga otoridad ang pangyayari nang matuklasan nila ang posibleng kaugnayan ng anak ng biktima sa mga suspect.
A breakthrough came when the sister of victim Gloria relayed information that a friend of them contacted them and informed that while browsing the Facebook of the grandson of victim Gloria, nakita niya yung isang suspect, picture ng suspect together with the family of yung anak ng biktima.
Kaugnay rito, agad na sinampahan ng kaso ng mga pulis ang gunman na si De Los Santos at 4 na iba pa bilang tugon sa panawagan ng pamilya ng mga biktima na makuha ang hustisya para sa kanilang napatay na kaanak.
Justice has been served to the victims and their bereaved families with the identification, arrest, and filing of criminal complaints of murder before the prosecutor's office.
Noong November 15, kitang-kita sa CCTV footage ang pamamaril ng 2 suspect sa 2 pasahero sa loob ng Victory Liner bus habang natutulog bago mabilis na bumaba ang mga suspect matapos na isagawa ang krimen.